Ever wondered how to grow your YouTube channel without creating hundreds of videos? You could be just a few uploads away from seeing your channel take off. The key isn't just consistency, it's being strategic about it. In this video, I'm going to share 3 essential tips that will not only improve your videos, but help you reach your goals much faster. Let's start with the most common advice that new YouTubers hear. Just be consistent. Upload as often as possible, keep posting, and success will come. But is that really true? So, you follow that advice, you upload consistently, put in weeks, maybe even years of effort, and then crickets. Nothing happens. Why? The truth is, there are right and wrong ways to be consistent on YouTube. Just uploading videos won't get you anywhere unless you focus on the right things. If you want results, you need to do these 3 things consistently. First, consistently develop strong ideas. The foundation of any great YouTube video is a compelling idea. No matter how good your production value is or how often you post, if your ideas are weak, your video will be too. Think about this. Mr. Beast himself has said that the difference between a video getting 1 million views and 30 million views is often not 30 times more effort, but simply a much better idea. The right idea has the power to carry your channel further than dozens of weaker ideas combined. So, how do you come up with compelling ideas? 1. Analyze popular content. Look at trending videos within your niche. Identify what's working and consider how you can add your own unique spin. 2. Validate your ideas. Before committing, ask yourself, would I click on this? Would I share it? If not, refine the concept until it's irresistible. 3. Maintain an idea. Bank. Don't wait for inspiration to strike at random. Keep a running list of content ideas so you're never stuck wondering what to create next. Sometimes coming up with a great idea takes time, days or even weeks. That's okay. Investing time in brainstorming will pay off in the long run. Second, consistently improve your skills. Being a successful YouTuber involves more than just pressing record. It requires a mix of technical, creative, and communication skills, from filming and editing to storytelling and audience engagement. Take a look at early videos from today's top creators. Their initial uploads often look amateur compared to what they produce now. Over time, they refined their craft, upgraded their production, and developed a signature style. Here's how you can do the same. 1. Keep learning. Watch tutorials on filmmaking, video editing, and storytelling. Channels like Colin and Samir, Hayden Hillier-Smith, and Epic Light Media offer valuable insights. 2. Assess your own content. Rewatch your older videos. Identify what's working and what needs improvement, then apply those lessons to your future uploads. 3. Challenge yourself. Push your limits with each new video. Experiment with different editing styles, upgrade your gear when possible, and work on your camera presence. YouTube itself is a fantastic learning resource. Many successful creators share their expertise for free. Take advantage of it. Finally, consistently analyze and respond to data. YouTube Analytics provides valuable insights, but only if you know how to interpret them. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by all the numbers, focus on answering these 4 key questions. 1. What's performing well? Identify your most successful videos. What topics, styles, or formats resonate with your audience? Double down on what works. 2. What needs improvement? If a video isn't getting clicks, maybe your title or thumbnail needs a tweak. If your watch time is low, your intro might not be engaging enough. 3. What's missing? Are viewers asking for something you didn't include? Could your videos benefit from additional structure, captions, or timestamps? 4. What's unclear? Are you using industry jargon that your audience might not understand? Does your content align with your channel's overall theme and purpose? Regularly reviewing these factors will help you refine your approach and make decisions based on real data, not guesswork. By focusing on these 3 strategies, developing great ideas, improving your skills, and leveraging analytics, you'll be on the path to real sustainable growth. YouTube success isn't about uploading as much as possible. It's about making each video better than the last. If you found these insights valuable, drop a comment below. Who are your favorite YouTube mentors? Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. One last thing, my dog Sydney gets a belly rub for every like this video receives. If you love Sydney, you know what to do. See you in the next video.